Hello everyone, I am Yudai Tsutsumi, and I am a master's student of Electric Information System Engineering. Today, I will present my research on an AI-powered graph thinning support system. This system assists farmers by predicting berry orientation and spatial arrangement, helping optimize the thinning process. Grape thinning is the process of removing some berries or grape clusters to improve fruit quality, health, and taste. This step is essential to ensure that the remaining grapes receive enough sunlight and airflow. Thinning helps prevent overcrowding, reduce disease risk, and improves the fruit's flavor. Grapeberry thinning presents multiple challenges. It takes a lot of time and labor, and workers need experts' knowledge to decide which berries to remove. Based on the needs of the farmers, our research goals are to develop an AI system that recognizes grapeberries using image recognition technology and suggest which grapeberries to remove. From an engineering viewpoint, automating grape thinning requires accurate detection of individual berries, their positions within the cluster, and their orientation. Key challenges include recognizing overlapping berries and judging depth. These factors can help an AI system decide which berries to remove. As our first step, we use YOLO version 8, Object Detection AI, to detect grape berries and clusters in images. We found that YOLO version 8 was able to recognize clusters of grapes near the center of the screen and individual berries in a grape cluster. Next, we aim to determine the orientation of each berry, which is necessary for identifying fruits to be thinned. To accomplish this, we transitioned from YOLO version 8 to YOLO 11 OBB. Unlike previous versions, YOLO 11 OBB draws oriented bounding boxes (OBBs) at varying angles for each detected berry. We utilize the orientation information from these OBBs to estimate the direction each berry was facing. Next, we needed to determine the orientation of individual grape berries. We wrote instructions to search for the center of the cluster and assigned markers in each of the bounding boxes. PO marks the center of the berry's bounding box, and PC marks the center of the edge of the bounding box. With these instructions, YOLO 11 OBB is able to detect which side the berries are on and whether they face up or down. The image on the right is the result of the grape berry orientation detection, in which grape berries facing up are drawn in red, and grape berries facing down are drawn in blue. As a result, the accuracy of orientation detection is not so good. Therefore, the methods of detecting grape berry orientation needs to be reviewed. In addition to the orientation of the grapes, we need to know the positions of the grapes. We decided to use depth estimation as a means of doing so. Depth anything V2 was used for depth estimation. The results are as follows. The closer the grapes are to the camera lens, the darker the red becomes. The further away from the camera lens, the bluer the color becomes and the clearer the outline of the grapes. It was found that the positions of the grapes could be determined by using depth estimation. This study successfully detected grape clusters and berries from images and estimated berry orientation. We also found that depth estimation effectively determines the spatial positions of berries. However, we could not present specific recommendations for thinning berries. In future research, aimed at enabling the recommendation of berries to be thinned, we plan to include side-facing orientation classification as these berries may be retained. We aim to improve orientation detection precision, incorporate deep depth estimation for position, and merge orientation and position depth for accurate thinning suggestions. This concludes my presentation. Thank you for your kind attention.